أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل محمد وبارك وسلم عليه رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما أجمعين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته Alhamdulillah, by Allah's grace and fadl. Now we are in the 49th class of Duroos program. Inshallah, today we are going to see lesson number 6 from book number 2. Inshallah. இன்னைக்கு முக்கியமான பாடம் லாஸ்ட் லெசன் நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா முழுக்க உங்களுக்கு ட்ரான்சிட்டிவ் வேர்ப் அண்ட் இன்ட்ரான்சிட்டிவ் வேர்ப் அதை பற்றி டாக்டர் ஃபாஸ்ட் ஆஃப் சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. அது மஃபூல் அண்ட் பிஹி வரும். மஃபூல் ட்ரான்சிட்டிவ் வேர்பாக இருந்தால் மஃபூல் அண்ட் பிஹி வரும். அப்படி வந்து அந்த மஃபூல் அண்ட் பிஹி வந்து மன்சூபில் இருக்கும். அதெல்லாம் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். அல்ஹம்துலில்லாஹ் ஓரளவுக்கு அதுக்கு நிறைய பயிற்சியும் டாக்டர் ஃபாஸ்ட் ஆஃப் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க. உங்களுக்கு அல்ஹம்துலில்லாஹ் நிறைய அதில் ஓரளவுக்கு ட்ரைனிங் கிடச்சிருக்கும். அல்ஹம்துலில்லாஹ் அது தொடர்ந்து இந்த லெசனில் இன்ஷாஅல்லாஹ் லெசன் 6 நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். எல்லாம் கவனமாக பாருங்கள். ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு மை ப்ரெசன்டேஷன். ப்ளீஸ் டூ வாட்ச் இட் கேர்ஃபுல்லி. Let's get started. So lesson number 6. In this lesson we'll learn the following. Zahabti, you went. Feminine singular. Number 2, the numbers 11 to 20 with the feminine ma'dud. Number 2, the numbers from 11 to 20 with the feminine ma'dud. We have already learned these numbers with the masculine ma'dud in lesson number 3. Rules pertaining to these numbers with the feminine ma'dud have also been mentioned there. To summarize, number A, 11 and 12, both parts of the number agree with the ma'dud. Ahda asharat taliban, ihda asharat talibatan. Ithna asharat taliban, ithnata asharat talibatan. Note that the letter Sheen has fatha in ashara and sukun in asharata. B, third, in these numbers, the second part agrees with the ma'dud and the first part does not. Example, salasata asharat taliban. ثلاثة عشرة طالبة ثمانية عشرة طالبا ثماني عشرة طالبة in ثمانية عشرة the word ثماني has sukun. Please make a note of it. Number 3, ayu, which. Ayu meaning which. We have learned this word in book number 1. It is always mudaf. The noun following it is majroor because it is mudaf ilayhi. Example, Ayyu talibin kharaja, which student went out. Ayya kitabin karata, because karata is transitive verb, so ayya is maf'ul bihi. Ayya kitabin karata, which book did you read. Bi ayyi kalamin katabta, which pen did you write with. Note that the word ayy is marfu in the first sentence because it is mubtada, and it is mansub in the second because it is maf'ul bihi, and majroor in the third because it is preceded by the preposition be. Please make a note of this. Number 4, azunnu, I think. Azunnu annaha zahabat ila Makkah. I think that she went to Makkah. Anna is a sister of inna, and so it is mansub and its khabar is marfu. Example, Azunnu anna Hamidan maridun. I think that Hamid is sick. Azunnu anna al-imama jadidun. I think that the imam is new. Azunnu anna Fatimata ghaibatun. I think that Fatima is absent. Azunnu annaka mut'abun. I think that you are tired. So Azunnu, and you will see anna should come, and remember anna is min akhwati inna, so ismu inna mansubun, khabar in anna marfuun. That should be kept. It should be remembered. Okay. Number 5, qala innaka ahsan talibin fil fasli. He said, you are the best student in the class. Note that after qala the particle inna is used and not anna. Remember, after qala we got to use inna, not anna. This is also to be noted. Number 6, lima. Lima is why. If it stands alone, ha is added to it. Lima. This is called haus sakti. Okay, lima. If it stands alone, we may need to add there on ha, and this ha is called haus sakti. We have learned in book 1 some examples of adjectives ending in an, anu category. Example, غضبان, عطشان, جوعان. The feminine of such adjectives is on the pattern of fa'ila. So جوعان is fa'lanu, its feminine form is fa'ila. And the plural of both the masculine and feminine is on the pattern of fi'alun. So please note down for feminine form, masculine form as well as feminine form, the plural of the same, both of them are fi'alun. So Abdul Sir has given here example. Bilalun jaw'anu. Ar-rijalu jiya'un. Bilal is hungry and the men are hungry. So jiya'un. It is on the pattern of fi'alun. And see the feminine form aminatu jaw'a. Amin, it is jaw'a, it is on the pattern of fa'ila. It is mentioned here, fa'ila. So aminatu jaw'a. An-nisa'u ji'a'un. So both are rijalu ji'a'un and nisa'u ji'a'un. The feminine form is ji'a'un. Fi'al. Note that the plural of kaslanu and kasla is kusala. Okay. Number 8 point. Hati. Hati means give, bring. Note it's not to the pronoun, other pronouns of the second person. And you need to see the conjugation with other pronouns. For example, Ya Ahmadu Hati. Oh Ahmad, bring or get. If you want to say Ya Ikhwanu, then it's Hatu. In Quran we have Hatu Burhanakum. Bring your, get your proofs. Ya Zainabu Hati. Ya should be added. Ya Akhawatu Hatina. So for singular Anta Hati, for Antum Hatu, for Anti Hati, for Antunna Hatina. And this also should be memorized. Next, number 9. Khud. Khud means take. It is fi'l amr. Fi'l means imperative tense. Inshallah, we will be learning in lesson number 14. So you will learn the imperative form of the verb in lesson number 14. Number 10. Fariha bihi bi al-mudrisu kathiran. This fariha is the verb, fariha. And one more fa is added to the verb, that is fa fariha. Fa means so. Thus, however. There are many meanings we have. Fa here, the meaning is so. The teacher was greatly pleased with me. Here, fa means so, and b means me, b means with me. Okay, inshallah, we will be learning much about this. Even however, Abdul Sir has given here some of the examples. Note here, farihtu bika. I was pleased with you. Farihu bina. They were pleased with us. எங்களோட மேல அவங்க ரொம்ப திருப்தி கொண்டாங்க. Farihta bihi. Question tag பாருங்க. See the question tag. Farihta means you were pleased. Bihi with him. Were you pleased with him? Question tag வந்தனால where has should be mentioned in the front. Number 11, please note that zahabata can be read in 4 ways with 4 meanings. For example, number A, zahabat, she went. B, zahabta, you went. C, zahabti, you went. D, zahabtu, I went. So if it is written with a vowel sense, it can have 4 chances. You can say zahabat, or you can say zahabta, or you can say zahabti, or you can say zahabtu. Based on the context, we may be able to understand it relates to whether third person singular feminine or first person masculine or second person masculine and second person feminine or first person singular. We will be able to understand when it comes in the context. Alhamdulillah, these are things which have been mentioned in this lesson. Let us go to the lesson now. We'll read the lesson. Number 6, the lesson Ad-Darsu As-Sadisu. 6th lesson. Al-Ummu. Mata raja'ta min al-madrasati. Ya bunayya. See, ya bunayya, it is no very little child. Actually, Ibnun Lilia, Ibnun Parchilko, Ibnun son. Ya bunayya, oh my little son, ya bunayya. Mata raja'ta min al-madrasati, ya bunayya. Mata raja'ta min al-madrasati, ya bunayya. Oh, my son, my little son, when did you return from the school? رجعت is a فعل رجع فعل تا is a فاعل. سعيد رجعت قبل نصف ساعة. I returned before half an hour. So here رجع is فعل, تو is a فاعل, قبل is ظرف, نصفي is مضاف إليه, وهو مضاف, ساعة مضاف إليه. என்ன சொல்றாரு, நான் வந்து ஒரு அரை மணி நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி தான் நான் வந்தேன். I returned before half an hour. الأم أين أختك مريم? Where is your sister مريم? So أخت مضاف كمضاف إليه. مريم is بدل here. Okay. ما رجعت. ما رجعت. Didn't she return? Did not she return? ما رجعتنا she did not return. ما رجعتنا didn't she return? அவங்க திரும்பி வரலையா? Saeed says لا أدري. So see the word لا أدري, I do not know. أنا ما رأيتها. Watch here the verb carefully. رأيتها. أنا ما رأيتها, I did not see her. What is the verb? Ra means he saw. Ra'a means he saw. And Ana رأيتها. أنا رأيتها, which means I saw her. Where you can say Ra is the verb, فعل, and tu is the fa'ilun, and ha is your maf'ulun bihi. رأيتها. But the text here given is أنا ما رأيتها, I did not see her. أنا is مبتدا, ما رأيتها, the whole jumla فعلية coming as خبر. ما is حرف النفي, or we can say ما النافية. Ra is a fail, tu is the file, aha is the maf'ul bihi. See, رأيتها is not one word, it has got three constructions.